The Cordless Paint Sprayer 650 Watt is a game changer for DIY enthusiasts, offering wireless operation that allows for more freedom and flexibility during painting projects. Equipped with a robust 650-watt copper motor, this paint sprayer ensures a consistent and smooth application, making it ideal for a variety of surfaces. The device features a versatile 6-piece all-metal nozzle set, allowing for precise control and adaptability to different materials and textures. Its user-friendly design makes installation and cleaning straightforward, with a convenient one-button operation and included cleaning tools to maintain optimal performance. With two powerful 4,000 milliampere-hour batteries, the sprayer supports extended use, enabling continuous operation without frequent recharging. Included accessories such as a 1,000 milliliter paint container and multiple nozzles enhance the sprayer's functionality, catering to diverse painting needs.